Comparative adjectives are used for comparing different things or people. For example, giraffes are taller than elephants. I am more intelligent than my brother. Let's see how we use them. If they have one syllable and they are short adjectives, you add er. Some examples of one-syllable adjectives are tall, long, cold, fast, and sad. You are taller than me. Trains are longer than cars. Winter is colder than summer in England. Planes are faster than motorbikes. But be careful when they have one syllable and they end in vowel plus consonant. Like, for example, big, ig. We double the consonant. So big becomes bigger with 2 G's and hot becomes hotter with 2 T's. Some examples are fit, big, fat, hot. You are fitter than me. My cat is fatter than my dog. Summer is hotter than winter in England. Planes are bigger than motorbikes. If they are long adjectives and they have more than one syllable, you add the word more before the adjective. Some examples are intelligent, beautiful, boring, exciting, or interesting. You are more intelligent than me. Biology is more interesting than history. Planes are more exciting than cars. If the adjective ends in y, it doesn't matter if it's long or short. You always have to take away the y and add ier. Some examples are happy, easy, pretty, angry. You are happier than me. Biology is easier than history. This dress is prettier than the skirt. My mum is angrier than my dad. And then we have some irregular adjectives which don't follow these rules. So good, bad, and far are examples of irregular adjectives. The comparative of good is better, the comparative of bad is worse, and the comparative of far is further or farther. You are better than me at football. Messi is worse than Ronaldo. New York is further than London from Portugal. Now let's practice them. So stop the video here. Make sure you know what the comparative forms of these adjectives would be, and then compare them with the answers. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.